In this video, you'll learn how to connect a Ricoh Interactive Whiteboard using Smart Device Connector. Scroll to and select the Ricoh Connector app on your smart device. Scroll to Whiteboard. If not connected, you'll need to connect to your device. In this example, we'll connect using a QR code. Select Add Machine. Set the whiteboard to display the QR code. Now select Add by QR code. Select Next. Now scan the QR code with your smart device. Your connector app is now ready to send a file to the whiteboard or save to file from your markups on the whiteboard.